Welcome everyone to IKEA Iconic.
Happy 80th birthday, IKEA.
CEO and the design dude, a lot of notes, scribbles, well, and a few inches maybe.
It has taken 8 years to build IKEA to what it is today, and now we look into the future.
I remember getting into IKEA, getting furniture, and both of us actually setting up. So it gave us a kind of feeling of ownership in a way.
I love their style, I love their designs, and the fact that their furniture is so versatile, so it really fits into so many different styles of home.
I can tell you, I live in a house filled with IKEA. My husband literally goes to IKEA for fun on weekends.
Honestly, everything IKEA does is fab.